Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back. Two new leaks come from Google. The upcoming Pixel 4a, some new detail, and some retail package revealed a new look. So, last month, the Google Pixel 4a appeared in a video that revealed most of its specs. Now, a new look by the False Hour 295, Google biggest tech website, incorporates those specifications and adds some new detail. The Pixel 4a will be powered by the Snapdragon S730 SoC and have at least two storage options, 64 and 128 gigabytes. Both model will have a 6 gigabytes of RAM. Unsurprisingly, the Pixel 4a will run Android 10 out of the box and have now playing and new Google Assistants in a tow. The mid-ranger will also get Android update for 3 years, which has a hardly a surprise. The Pixel 4a will come in a plastic body and pack a 5.81 OLED screen of 2340 by 1080p pixel resolution with a punch hole in the top left corner, as you can see in this picture. The 8 megapixel selfie camera having an FOV of 84 degree. Around the back side, you will get a fingerprint reader keeping company to the single 12.2 megapixel primary camera housed in a rectangle cutout with an LED flash. The main sensor will come with autofocus and EIS and OIS. For video recording, the rear camera will offer 5 options: 720p at 240 fps, 1080p at 30 fps, 1080p at 60, 1080p at 120 fps, and 4K at 30 fps. The front-facing camera will only allow recording 1080p resolution at 30 fps. The Pixel 4a will have a 3080 mAh battery under the hood, which will draw power through the USB-C port at up to 18-watt super-fast charging. But there will be no wireless charging. Other specifications of the Pixel 4a include a 3.5mm headphone jack and Google Titan M security chip. The smartphone will skip Pixel neural core and Solia sensor through. The source says the Pixel 4a will come in at least 2 colors, just black and barely blue. We have seen the black variant in a few leaks already, but we are yet to get a proper look at the blue model. The Pixel 4a is rumored to starting price is around $399. It was expected to be unveiled next month at the I/O 2020 conference, but with the event cancelled due to the coronavirus pandemic, it's unclear when the Snapdragon 730 powered smartphone will go official. So the packaging of new leaks are the Pixel 4a retail package revealed. The packaging itself is nothing special. The design is identical. The Pixel 4 packaging with a simple white layout showing 2/3 of the back of the phone. As you can see, this is the packaging of the upcoming Pixel 4a. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you excited about this upcoming Google Pixel 4a smartphone or not? And make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.